Perfume ads are very appealing and looks very expensive. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfume ad in a few simple steps. For this video, I used a small mirror. I placed the bottle on the mirror itself, facing upwards towards the screen of my iMac. Then I will go to the YouTube channel and find some free footage of the clouds. So the next thing that I use for this video is this Yongho YN360 light, which is giving you white light and colorful lights as well, which is the most amazing part of it. Once you're done with the setup, you just have to turn off all the lights around you.